Hello guys, so surprisingly this week's trying to get funded started on Friday. Today is Friday, and just as the caption says, yes, I've passed that account. This is my first time passing a phase this fast. To be honest, when did I start trading this account? I think it was like 3 weeks ago that I started trading this account, and I've just passed it already. And this is the highest risk I've ever put on an account. It's not that I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I know how I've set my risk. So if you're just coming to the channel, this is what we do. I'm trying to get funded, and if you want to see the journey, also you want to comment, and you just want to join the journey and see the kind of things I'm doing, just join in, because things are actually starting to make sense. So don't forget to subscribe. So I'm currently in school. I just want to go and finish up with something which I'm supposed to do. If I'm done with that, I'll be heading home so that we'll do the trade review. So for that account, I think the trades I've taken there were just five trades, and I did not expect to pass this account this fast. And the trade I took which passed that account was a NAS 100 trade. I'll be putting the recording as usual. So it was a NAS 100 trade, a 124 risk to reward. Honestly, that trade did not look like it was going to hit TP. I did not expect it, because it passed that account and some other accounts that I'm actually trading, which I mentioned some time ago. I'm not going to put it out there just yet. Yes, I mentioned I'm not going to put some of these accounts out there just yet, though I'll still put it up, but not yet. So it passed those other accounts and passed this good fund there. So now I'm currently on the phase 2. I'll start trading phase 2 tomorrow. So the time is 11:04. This is like less than 30 minutes to my New York session analysis, and today is NFP day, so I'm not trading today. That is why I even went out for jogging. I did not open the charts this London session, and I'm not opening this New York session. So that's probably it. And for that Naira trader, they are back. Their website is back working now. It's back working, so I'll still continue trading their account. I did not pick that NAS trade because I cannot trade indices on the account. So I'll just catch you guys when I'm back, and then we'll do the trade review and conclude the week. Hello guys, today is Saturday. Yesterday when I came back from school, I couldn't do the review yesterday because I came back very sick. I don't know where that sickness came from, so I just came back and just laid down. I was not having the strength to do that. So even this morning also, it was hard for me to get up from bed. I haven't even eaten. The time is currently 12:11. It's afternoon right now. I'm just waking up. So it's just now I've gotten the strength to at least come and record. So I will make sure that I do the review. It's just that I'm waiting for light, because I would really like if I will have a brighter place to do the review on the listing. So let me see if there's other things to mention for that passing of the accounts. First of all, I'm going to say, should I say, I'm sorry you would not get the kind of excitement you see from other people from passing a phase 1 account. The thing is that at this point, I'm not really excited by passing phase 1. I'm not excited by passing phase 2 or anything. I've been trading for a long time, and I think the times I've passed a profit account, I think was just once before. This time is my second time, but then I'm not really excited, because at this point it is not passing that is really my problem. I want to actually reach to the point of making withdrawal. That's what I've told myself, because before, when I pass phase 1 like this, I get excited and then I forget, or should I say I stop being more disciplined. I see it as I've achieved something very, very big, and then I
reduce the strength, or should I say the amount of energy I should put on trading the live or any other thing. So I'm not excited by it. I'm happy. I'm a bit happy. When I passed it also, I was happy. I wish I recorded at that point, but then I don't keep the excitement in my head for that long. I believe even at the payouts, when I get a payout, I won't be that excited. I will be very happy. I will be shocked. That is what I will be doing. I will be shocked when I get a payout. So that is how the trade I mentioned, it was a nice 100 trade. That's 100 trade. And don't worry, when I come back for the review, show it on the screen, and then we'll just see the things that happen, my psychological this thing while doing the review. So I'll catch you either later. I might probably do it later or tomorrow before I now upload the video. So I'll catch you guys later. So before I could even finish making this previous video that I just finished making, they just brought the lights. So I'll actually be doing the review now. I'll doing the review now, and then I'll conclude the video. So yesterday was Friday, right? As I mentioned today started. Yesterday was Friday and it was NFP. I mentioned I do not trade NFP. So I was disciplined enough to not come to the chart and even see the NFP move or whatever it did. I've reached, it's a shock to me that to see that I've reached to a point of trading where I stay off the chart. When I say I'm going to stay off the charts, I stay off the charts without even trying to come back. Let's say for example I see I'm done for the week. Let's say for example I take too many trades on Monday and then probably ended the took enough trades or took 4 trades, because after 4 trades I don't take any more trades, 4 losses. So let's say I take 4 trades on Monday, which doesn't happen though. I'm just saying, if I take 4 trades Monday and I lose those trades, if I'm saying I'm done for the week, I don't come back to the chart till the next week. You won't see me even open trading view even for once. So this was something I was battling with before, but I don't know how. I know how because I've worked for it. I've actually kept trying to do it, and then eventually I'm now doing that. So I'm now disciplined when it comes to staying off chart. I am the best at doing that. I'm saying it. I am the best at staying off charts. So it's just now that I'm seeing this chart, I'm seeing whatever impulse it did here on NAS 100 and some other things. So this is the trade for sure. This is the trade we took. As usual, nothing different. Exactly the same thing you will keep seeing on all of my trades. Look at what we have here. This impulse and this correction. Nothing more. Nothing more. Impulse, correction, that's what I'm always looking for. And this blue line, for now, I won't explain why that blue line is there. I won't explain why that blue line is there. So we have this impulse, this correction, and then as usual, my 2 time frames, 30 minutes and 5 minutes, I'll go down to my 5 minutes time frame to check how I took the trade or how the entry went. So let's go there. Let me zoom in. So we have this kind of structures. I came when price was somewhere here. So price created new trend line, this tap, and then this tap, and then price started pushing downwards at this point here. Let me zoom in more just in case it's not showing that clearly. Price pushed down a little bit here and then created an impulse here. So it is after this engulfing candle, this very strong impulse, that was when I took the trade. That was when I placed my entry. Yeah, that was when I placed my entry, and then price did this. I told you, as usual, most of the times this is how my system is. When I take entry, it will reverse back a little bit. It will reverse down, come to probably maybe this level before pushing up. And this is what it did. If you go back to my trades, most of the trade reviews which I've done, you see that most of the times this is exactly what price has been doing. And I'm going to study that. I'm going to study that with a new account to see how I can increase the risk to reward of this strategy using this system, because I know if it keeps going down, definitely there will be a level where I'll see it's always tapping in before going. So I'll study that, and I know I'm going to find things out. I've seen this keep happening since April, my April data, and it has been happening for the whole month: April, May, June, July, August, till this September, which is this trade which I've taken. So I took that trade 30 minutes, and then when I take my trades, I don't want to come back to the charts. I don't want to come back until it's time for me to manually close or to come and see if the trade has hit TP or stop loss. So I came back and then price pushed. I came back, I did mistake and entered my MT5. I wanted checking something for another account. I came back to my MT5 and I saw price here. I saw price here. I was excited. Yeah, I was excited, but I had to leave the chart before I'll start keeping my mind to seeing all these up and down moves, up and down moves. I don't want that. That's why I stay off the chart. I don't want to place my trade and then come back at 6 p.m. to see whether the trade has hit stop loss or it has hit my take profit, so that I won't even have that emotional movement. And the main reason why I do that is because whenever I stay on the charts too long, whenever they're taking the light, whenever I stay on the charts too long, I I don't do any other thing. I don't record videos. I don't do my housework. So I just had to stop. I think this light should be enough. I just had to stop staying on the charts whenever I've placed a trade, and that is why I'm not managing my trades now. I don't put break even. I don't take partials. I just let the trade play like that. So that is what I'm currently doing. Maybe in the future I'll start fixing all this, but for now I know what I'm doing. I'm taking my processes very gradual. I'm not trying to rush anything, because to be honest, I believe that slow is fast. Since when I started taking things slow, things have started moving faster for me. To be honest, I am very honest about this. When I start trying to fix my system slow, I fix it after a month. After a month, things have started working far better for me. So I don't fix my, you won't see me fix my system in the month. No, I won't do that. I don't do that. I just let until after the month. That is when I fix. So this trade went this way, and then for the accounts, for the good funded accounts, I think my take profit was somewhere around here, because that was when, if price reached, it will it will it will hit my take profit and pass the account. So I didn't have any need to take my take profit up to this point. So it was at this point that was when price hit my take profit and closed, and I passed the account. So this was a very nice trade, a 1 to 4 risk to reward. I always add to a little bit for spread and other things. So that is it for this week. That is the conclusion for this week. If you're looking for a broker, I always say the best broker for me personally, the best broker right now is FBS. I have the link in the description. My Telegram channel, I have the Telegram channel. I even noticed I used to post my trades. It is until someone messaged me I knew that, oh, some people even take my trades. Wow, so I was surprised. So my Telegram channel link too will be there. What else? Good funded trader. The prop firm I'm trading with is good funded trader. Do your own research before trying to check that, because I did my own personal research before trading with them. So I'm trading with good funded trader. The link will also be in the description. I'll catch you guys next week. I hope I get healed from this sickness today like this, because my head is a bit aching me and my nose is watery. So catch you guys next week.